Okay, just to be short and to the point, I'm just gonna show you guys some of the materials that is mostly used in Word. Okay. And I'm just gonna open up a document. This is a document that I have saved. Okay, here's my checklist. So, okay. Instead of just going over this, I'm just gonna give you guys an overall gist of what to expect with Microsoft Word. Okay. I want to open up. I don't want to work with this. I want to open up a new file. A cumulative review. And I probably have gone over some of this stuff. I'll just reiterate. Okay. First of all, it's view. Here's your outline view where you can demote and promote. See how the text changes? Shouldn't change to bold. That's sort of my fault. Yeah. Level 1. That shouldn't be bold. So I'm just gonna unbold it. Oh, I don't have my bullets on. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna insert a bullet here, and I'm gonna highlight the text that I want to work with. So I'm gonna go to outline view, demote, and you see how the bullet changed, and here you can see that it's been demoted. I'm not hierarchy, text effects, insert, yeah. Okay. I want to go to insert. Here's your pictures, and I want to specifically, in the insert tab, I want to go to hyperlink. So you can hyperlink an image to go to a different part of the document, so you can see there, or you can link it to an email address or an existing web page. So, also, for an image, make sure you look at the corrections, the color, compress pictures, change pictures, use that picture, see how it resets everything, if I have this picture style, and if I reset it. If I reset the picture in size, it'll just undoes everything, or undoes, I can't talk. It removes all the formatting, and it brings forward, send backward, align, rotate, that good stuff. And your format picture, your shadow, your reflection, your glow. On 2010 it should be a dialog box, but here it's 2013, so you have all these different options. It's still the same in 2010, it's just in a dialog box. See? Shadow glow, size, wrap text. You can do top and bottom, in front of text, tight, and you can group, that good stuff. Here you view your multi-pages. Here's how you can put them side to side. Usually just use this. Just put the zoom level out so that side to side. Right there. Down a little bit, 50%. New window, zoom, you can see ruler, guideline, elevation, pane, that stuff. Review spelling and grammar, shabby dialog box on 2010, yes. And here's how you restrict your editing. We talked about that before. Your markup. Here's where you can add comments. I'm just gonna add a quick comment here. Something random. Gotta change my view back to 100%, so I'm gonna go here to 100%. So just add some random stuff. Okay, so if you wanna like to show specific people, you go here to auto viewers. To hide your comment, you go here to comments. Your reviewing pane, you can show your reviewing pane vertical or horizontal. Just can't really see anything because I hit my comments. And this is how you put it back in. This auto viewers and track changes, accept, reject, compare. And here's how you translate in language. In mailings, your mail merge. Here's how you do that step-by-step wizard. It's the current document. Existing list. I'm just going to do this one that I made before. And here's your data source where you can edit, add extra information, delete entries, fine, you know, stuff, find duplicate, sort, update addresses, and next, write letters, your address blocks, your recipients, and your print. And here's how you finish and merge, edit individual documents. So you have all this wide variety of options here. Check for errors. So, view results and envelopes and label references. Your table of contents. Here's how you would insert a table of contents. The custom. And here's where you would do the options. Here's where you would remove like a heading from your table of contents. Here's your dot leader tabs. And you can choose your styles and okay. So I'm not going to insert. And I'd rather change my text. So I'm going to try to insert it on the blank page. Insert page break. See how that works out. Table of contents, custom table of contents, and let's do okay. Let's see how that works. It's not really formatted, so that's the best I can have right now. That's how you would do it. And your endnotes or your footnotes, you would insert them here. Your endnotes there. Here's what you would do your bibliography. And if you're taking like the Microsoft Office Certification exam, it's a good idea to take a look at this. And know how to work with, and here's how you would insert your captions. So this is a caption, but you could do that for an image. So you could do that there. Your page layout, you have your margins. Here's where you can customize your margins. Orientation, portrait or landscape. Your size of your paper. Your columns. Generally, I just go here to more columns. And yeah, that's what I would do. I'm gonna go back and change that because I did not add the line in between. Silly me. Oh yes, I did. I just don't. Yeah, right there. And you have your breaks. Your different types of breaks there. Your different types of line numbers. your hyphenations, automatic or manual indentation, your wrap text for your image, different wrap text and for your picture tools format. That's where you can do the picture effects, picture border, picture layout. That's a new feature in 2013, sorry. Here's where you can rotate, change your height, do the artistic effects there. Do this interesting stuff. And let's see. I'm going to go to page layout. Your design. This is something new that's been taken from page layout in 2010 and put here in 2013. So that's where your theme. This is where you would go and change it. In 2010, you would go to page layout. That's where you would change your themes. In your document, and this, your quick styles. This is something new that I've seen in 2013. And then you have your colors where you can change, and then your font. The different fonts that you can change there. And let's see this. This is something something new, 2013. You watermark, page color, and page borders. You can edit it there. And this is where you insert your cover page, and you can insert it. You can insert this cover page right here. Okay. So there's your cover page, blank page, tables. I think I did discuss this table. Basically, you insert your built-in tables. You convert table to text, and you would do it other. This is where you would draw it manually, insert it, and draw it. Your smart art. Smart art is something that I haven't really, but I think I discussed. I'm not sure. This is like your organization charts, basically. So see how you have those different ones, and if you hover, you have your names, and you have your screenshot that you can insert. And you have your bookmarks, your headers and your footers. I generally just go to edit and page numbers there. You go to top of page where you insert it, just a plain number. And I would just go here and format it, That's where start at 1. Doesn't have a number there because it's a cover page. So you would have like different uneven, different, just leaves this the same. Okay, this is where you do it. And your alignment tab, footer, there's the quick parts, document info, date and time. This is where you would insert your quick parts, your auto text, building blocks, word art, different word art, drop cap on text, signature line, your date and time. Here's different formats that you have to choose from, your object, your equation, and so forth. Here's your shapes. Here you can insert, like, insert an oval. It's a huge one. Here you have your edit shape, dot text box, shape styles. This is where you can change the color and the outline. Your text effect. For some reason, type for something random. All you have to just type. You don't really have to insert a text box. And your align text. Text effects are going to be like three-dimensional effects. Something that you want to look out for. And precision and wrap text. Your styles, find and replace. And yeah, it's your format painter right there. So you see that, do it again, highlight it there to change it to this format. So you use format painter. Your shortcut menus, like for this, you could see. You got a caption to an image like this. link, wrap text, stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, if you have any questions or would like to know more about Microsoft Office, I would be glad to help you. Just drop me a comment below and I'll try to get back to you in a timely manner. This is Computer Planet. Thank you for your time and have a good day.